Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add basic shooting onto our gun. We need to create a new script for our weapon. Give it any name you like. Every gun has different stats, so we declare a few variables for range, damage, how many bullets fit in a magazine, and the cooldown. The shot exit point is an object we will put in front of our gun. Now we add a shot timer so we can time the cooldown. I will make the shooting with raycasts. Firstly, we need to check if our mouse is down and the timer is ready. Therefore I make an extra method so the code is easier to read. I'll have a link in the description where raycasts are explained. Every frame we add the delta time to our timer so the cooldown doesn't rely on the frame rate. At the beginning of the method we reset the shot timer. So basically if we hit an object we enter the if statement where we can decrease the health from the object we hit. I forgot to record the making of the enemy health script, but it wasn't complicated, so here you can copy it. Now we create a target from our enemy script which we assign to the script of the object the raycast hit. So if the object has got a script on it, meaning the target isn't null, we use the method from the enemy script to decrease the health. I added the enemy script onto the road here so I can test if the shooting works. Now you need to create an empty game object on your gun and put it in front of the muzzle. Lastly, add the gun script onto the gun. Put the gun exit. That's it. Here you can see how everything should work now. In the next video we will add some IK to the body so the gun points where we look on the Y-axis. Thanks for watching.